Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to edit a gig on Fiverr. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Fiverr and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, we have dashboard, my business, growth and marketing, analytics, and right here you're gonna find notifications, messages, help and resources, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. So go ahead and click on it. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Right here you're gonna find profile, refer a friend, settings, billing and payments, your language and your currency. Go ahead and click on profile, and then right here you can edit everything in your profile, such as your name, your description, languages, skills, and so on. And as you can see, guys, here in the right, you're gonna find active gigs and also drafts. So basically, guys, if you have any active gig, you're gonna find it right here, and you can remove it if you want or edit it from here. As you can see, guys, in my case, there is no active gigs, so I'm gonna click on create new gig, and then from here you can create your gig. So right here there is the gig title. As your gig storefront, your title is the most important place to include keywords that buyers would likely use to search for a service like yours. So right here, you can add your gig title. Here you're gonna find category, choose the category and subcategory most suitable for your gig. So there is a very big list right here. You can choose any category that's related to your gig. And right here, you're going to find search tags. You can add any tags that you want so people can find you more easily. So just follow these steps until you finish and then click on save and continue. And then you're good to go. So this is guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.